Today I discuss computer peripherals, computer computer peripherals in class 4 chapter number 1. Chapter number 1. These computer peripherals is related to input and output devices. This is the first introduction. Today I discuss in this topic first introduction of computer, and second the introduction also involved to the computer, what is the computer peripherals, and also define input device, and the last, what is input device, what is input device. First of all, I started first part, introduction of computer. What is the introduction? What is the computer? Computer is an electronic device that operates means work under the control of programs stored in its own memory unit. A computer is an electronic machine that processes raw data to give information and output. An electronic device that accepts data as input and transforms it under the influence of a set of special instructions desired output. This is the introduction of computer. Introduction of what is the computer peripherals? A computer peripherals is any external device that provides input and output for the computer. Computer peripherals, input and output. Input and output. There are two important parts of the computer peripherals. Computer peripherals, two important parts. First, input peripherals and output peripherals, such as keyboard, mouse, and output peripherals, printer, monitor, etc. This is the computer peripherals. What is the peripheral device? So a peripheral device connects to a computer system to add functionally. Again I repeat, what is the peripheral device? Anybody asked that? A peripheral device connects to a computer system to act functionally, such as example of the peripheral device. Example of peripherals device such as mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc., scanner, etc. My second topic is start what is defined input device. Defined input device. An input device is a piece of hardware. Second topic is called input device. Input device. Input device. Input device is a piece of hardware used to provide data to a computer, used for interaction and control. I again repeat in this sentence. An input device is a piece of hardware used to provide data to a computer, used for interaction and control. It allows input of raw data to the computer for processing. Input device are type of peripheral devices that communicate with processing unit. This is the input device. And today is the last topic. What is the input device? So input device, again I repeat this sentence. Input device is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such a computer or information appliance. An input device is essentially a piece of hardware. Again I repeat, a input device is essentially a piece of hardware that send data to a computer. This is the input device. Today I discuss the 3 points. What is computer? What is computer peripherals? What is peripherals? What is the input device? And define to the input device. Today I discussed 4 and 5 topics related to the computer peripherals in class 4. Any such doubt, please call me. Thank you so much.